First thing, starting from the top, we have the file menu. Well, the moment you click on the file menu, you go back to the same list over here, and you have some more tabs over here, which we might visit later on. So home, it's the same. New, you have a new blank workbook, and the templates here, and open is exactly the same what we saw earlier. I click on this back icon and we proceed further with some more menu options over here. We have home, insert, page layout, formula, data, review, view, developer, and help. As we proceed further, depending on the components or various features of Microsoft Excel that we would be using, we might have some more menus available over here. They would appear while you're using them. When you're not using them, the menu may not be visible. As we proceed further, I'll explain you in detail about these disappearing menus. Well, this entire strip that you see over here is called as the ribbon, and this ribbon will show you all those tools and functions that you would be accessing through each of these menus. For example, under the home menu, well, this home menu generally houses all those tools and features that you might be frequently be using while you're working with Excel. And each of these tools are segregated based on the nature of their usage. For example, the first section is about the clipboard. You have the cut, paste, and copy options over here. Then the font section, where you can change the fonts, the size, the look and feel of those. Then you have the alignment of text within each cells. You can even merge cells as well. And further, we have the formatting of text, which we'll be discussing in detail later. We can also change the styles, cells editing, add and remove of cells as well, and the editing section, wherein you might also try some sorting and filtering. These features of editing are also available under the data menu. When you click on the data menu, we see a whole lot of features or functions, or maybe you might call as tools as well. Under the same ribbon, everything is different here now. And here again, we have the sort feature over here, sort and filter functions over here. So home menu houses all the common ones. Then again, we have the insert menu, wherein we have the tables. We will create a pivot table, pivot charts as well. We have section on charts and a lot more over here. We will be working on all of these as we proceed further.